Stampers. Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my Wait What? Wednesday tip video, I have a simple tip for you. But it was something that was shared by one of my customers and she actually shared it saying, hey, this is what I learned from you and this would be a great tip for one of your Wednesday tip videos. So I'm going to do just a little bit of stamping here. I am going to bring in my lovely lipstick ink, and I'm using the Dino Days stamp set. This is just one of my favorites. I've been using it a lot lately, but this is just a cute little card. You could use any stamp set that you want for this card. And this says, thanks for being a Friendosaurus. And I'm just going to take, that was with lovely lipstick. Now I'm going to bring in just a little bit of Granny Apple Green, and we're going to put some little footprints down here because they're adorable, right? Okay, we're pretty much done stamping for the moment. I am using our note cards and envelopes, and I'm just telling you all these details because I know that you're going to want to know them. I would want to know them as a stamper. I've got a piece of the Dyna Roar Designer Series paper here. Beautiful little images in here. And this piece goes on the front of one of our note cards. Now this is 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. It's just a 1/4 inch smaller than my card front. Here's where the tip comes in. So my customer, Eris, told me, you know what I've learned from you? I've learned as I watch you that you always hold your layers up in the air when you're adding your liquid glue, okay? Versus putting them on the surface and gluing them like this. And what she's taken away from that is that when you pick them up, let's see if I can get some glue coming out, and put the glue on them, you don't run over onto your work surface. Whether you're working on a piercing mat like I do, on your tabletop or your grid paper, you're not accidentally getting glue where it doesn't belong, so that next you take your card and set it in your glue and then you have a great big sticky mess, right? So I thought, wow, that is a fantastic tip, and I guess I really didn't realize that that was so beneficial, right? So here's what I'm going to do with this cute little tag, I should say this cute little circle, is I'm just going to add this to the Fun Designer Series paper. This is going to make a very quick and simple thank you card. Well, it says thanks for being a Friendosaurus, but I'm going to use it as a thank you card. And then I think what I'd like to do is bring in, oh, I can't remember what this is it a pterodactyl? Is that what this little guy is? I think it's a pterodactyl. I'm not sure. But this little bird dinosaur guy. And I'm just going to stamp that on the envelope right here. Oh my gosh, he's so absolutely adorable. And then I think I want a couple of these little embellishments. Let's see if I can get those. There we go. I'm just going to stick a couple of these onto my little circle here because they're fun. They shine a little bit, so it gives your card just a touch of bling. And then I think I'll put a few little footprints going across the corner of my card, some little dinosaur footprints, so that I have plenty of room to write in there. And so my Wait What? Wednesday tip video is to hold your layers up in the air while you're adding glue to them versus leaving them laying on your surface where you're going to get, you know, overshot with the glue, and then you're going to have a sticky surface. So, Eris, thank you so much for that tip, and I hope this has been helpful, and I hope it'll help you with your stamping. You guys have yourselves a fabulous Wednesday, and as always, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. If there's any Stampin' Up! Products that you would like to order, you can hop right on over to my blog. You're going to find an online ordering button in the right-hand column. Use this host code or the current code in that right-hand column when you place your order. You can click right up here to head over to my blog now, and don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming up. The Stamping Society is hopping tomorrow, August 1st. We are featuring the Peacock Suite for some fabulous cards. And of course, there will be an exclusive video tutorial that'll be available to you when you place an order with me. You'll get that tutorial for free. And if you're not interested in ordering from me, you can get the tutorial for $7. Watch for that tomorrow. It's going to be amazing. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.